A Punjab Police Assistant Sub-Inspector ASI allegedly shot dead a 27-year-old international Kabaddi player Arvinderjit Singh and injured one of his friends after they got into a tiff over parking at Lakhan Ke Padde village on Thursday night. The accused and his compliance have been arrested. The ASI Paramjit Singh, who was posted at Dhilwan police station in Kapurthala, has been dismissed from the service. He had gone to Lakhan Ke Padde village to drop a friend. He had opened fire at the player and his friend Pradeep from his licensed revolver. While Arvinderjit died on the spot, Pradeep sustained injuries. Arvinderjit Singh, accompanied by 4 friends, was returning from the Kabaddi ground around 10:30 p.m. when they stopped a suspicious car parked along the roadside. The windows of the car were covered with cloth. Arvinderjit Singh, his friend Pradeep Singh, got off their car and asked those seated within to come out. Later, they exchanged heated arguments over parking. Enraged, the ASI fired 3 shots at the victims. An FIR under Section 302, 307 and 34 of the Indian Penal Code and the Arms Act has been registered at Subhanpur police station against the ASI and his accomplice. Both have been arrested. News Desk.